tighten that one. Coming up. Let's try the winch now. Clear, clear. Let's go.
All right, let's go. Move that out of the way.
Whoa, look at this.
We need to lift it higher.
Unbelievable.
The front end is completely, nothing is salvageable.
We're gonna do a lot of work today, guys. Let's go, Mike.
Damaged bulbs should be carefully removed. The engine cover appears to be two-stepped, but it needs to be completely removed for repair. The wiring has been rewired and the engine has been fully repaired and is now ready to run. The damaged wheels have been successfully removed. The car will be cleaned inside and any damaged parts replaced. Stay with us until the end to see the result. The engine has been repaired and the lights replaced, but the hood looks different. It will be fixed later, don't worry. The most important thing now is to install the appropriate wheels. The most important part, the engine, lights, and other components has been completed. Now all that remains is to repair the structure. Watch the final result with us.
Almost everything is now finished, and we just need to repair the structure in very simple steps.
The workers repaired the car's interior, and it looks very clean. It's clearly ready to go. Now let's start it. Alrighty, let's fire the car on the road, guys.